नाम से डरा मत करो सिलेबस मेरे.
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8. Okay. Write 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8. It can be written as 5 minus 3 pi by 8. 5 minus 3 pi by 8. Let us do LCM 8. 8 minus 3, 5 pi by 8. Okay. 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8. It can be written as 5 minus 5 by 8. 5 minus 5 by 8, 7 pi by 8. Okay. So 1 plus cos 5 by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta, we have minus cos theta. Okay. 1 minus cos pi by 3 pi by 8. So 1 plus cos 180 minus theta, it will be 1 minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta, we have minus cos theta minus cos pi by 8. Okay. So 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 minus cos pi by 8, it will be 1 minus cos square pi by 8. We should applying a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8. It will be 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8. Okay. It will going to be, we have one formula 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Okay. 1 minus cos square pi by 8, it will be sin square pi by 8. 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8, it will be sin square 3 pi by 8. Okay, equal to sin square pi by 8 into sin 3 pi by 8. Sin, so this 3 pi by 8, 3 pi by 8 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Okay, 4 minus 1. Okay. 3 pi by 8, it can be written as sin 3 pi by 8. 3 pi by 8 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Okay, let us do LCM 8. Okay, 4 minus 1, 3 pi by 8. Okay, so 3 pi by 8 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 8 whole square. Okay, it will going to be sin pi by 8. Sin 90 minus theta, we have cos theta cos pi by 8 whole square. Okay, divide multiplied by 2. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 times of pi by 8 by 2 whole square. So 2 1 j 2 4 j get cancelled. Sin 45 value. Sin 45 value we have 1 by root 2 by 2 whole square. It will going to be 1 by root 2 by 2, 1 by 2 root 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 square is 4. 1 by root 2 whole square is 2, 1 by 2. So 1 by 8 answer. So 1 by 2 root 2 whole square. So 2 root 2 whole square value 8. So 2 square is 4, root 2 whole square is 2. 4 2 is 8. Answer will be 1 by 8. Moving to next question. Sin to the power 5, sin to the power 4 pi by 8. Sin to the power 4 3 pi by 8. Sin to the power 4 5 pi by 8. Sin to the power 4 7 pi by 8. Okay, this is our target. Okay, sin pi by 8 power 4 plus sin 3 pi by 8 power 4 plus sin 5 pi by 8. This 5 pi by 8 can be written as sin 180 minus pi by 8. 180 minus 3 pi by 8 power 4. Okay, 5 minus 3 pi by 8 is 5 pi by 8. Sin 7 pi by 8 can be written as 5 minus pi by 8 power 4. Okay, it will going to be sin pi by 8 power 4, sin 3 pi by 8 power 4, sin 180 minus theta, we have sin theta, sin 3 pi by 8 power 4. It will be sin pi by 8 power 4. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So sin pi by 8 power 4, sin pi by 8 power 4 is 2 times of sin pi by 8 power 4. Sin 3 pi by 8 power 4 plus sin 3 pi by 8 power 4, it will be 2 times of sin 3 pi by 8 power 4. In this one 2 take out common. Okay, sin to the power 4 pi by 8, sin 3 pi by 8. We have sin 3 pi by 8 value, sin 90 minus pi by 8. Okay, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 8. So sin 3 pi by 8, it can be written as cos pi by 8. So cos pi by 8, cos power 4 pi by 8. Okay, 2 times of, we have sin square pi by 8 whole square plus cos square pi by 8 whole square. We have a square plus b square formula. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, we should applying this formula. Okay, now we should applying sin a square plus b square formula. What is a square plus b square? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so it will going to be 2 times of a square plus b square, a plus b whole square, sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. 2 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. 2ab. Where a place in, we should write sin square pi by 8 and b place in cos square pi by 8. So 2 times of this value 1. This 2 multiply to all, 2 into 1 minus 2 to the 4. 4 times of sin square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. Okay, 2 minus, it can be written as 2 sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. 4 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. It can be written as 2 sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole square. So 2 sin theta cos theta. We have 2 sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 into where theta placed in, we should write pi by 8. So 2 minus sin 1 2 get cancelled. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square. It will going to be 2 minus 1 by 2 is, the answer is 3 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. If cos theta plus cos square theta plus cos cube theta equal to 1 and sin to the power 6 theta equal to a plus b sin square theta plus c sin to the power 4 theta, then we have to find a plus b plus c. Okay, so what is given condition? Cos theta plus cos square theta plus cos cube theta equal to 1. Okay, so given function is cosine function. This convert into in terms of sine. This cos square theta, bring the right side, it will be cos theta plus cos cube theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, 1 cos theta take out common, 1 plus cos square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, it will be sin square theta. So cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta, we have formula 1 minus sin square theta equal to sin square theta. Okay, now cos theta into 1 plus 1 2 minus sin square theta, it will going to be sin square theta. Okay, what is given? Sin to the power 6 theta given, all terms of sine functions. Okay, again squaring on both sides. It will be cos square theta into 2 minus sin square theta whole square equal to sin square theta whole square is sin to the power 4 theta. Okay, we have got this value cos square theta into 2 minus sin square theta whole square equal sin to the power 4 theta. We have cos square theta formula 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta into, we should applying a minus b whole square formula, a square 4 plus b square sin to the power 4 sin square theta whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2 into where a value 2, b value sin square theta. 4 sin square theta equal to sin to the power 4 theta. Okay. Okay, now multiply 1 minus sin square theta into this value. First 1 multiply to all. It will be 1 into 4, 4. Next sin to the power 4 theta minus 4 sin square theta. Next minus sin square theta multiply to all. Minus 4 sin square theta minus sin to the power 6 theta. So minus into minus plus 4 sin to the power sin square theta into sin square theta, it will be sin to the power 4 theta equal to sin to the power 4 theta. Okay. Both sides 1 sin to the power 4 theta get cancelled. Minus sin to the power 6 theta, bring the right side. It will be 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 4 sin square theta minus 8 sin square theta minus, okay, plus 4 sin to the power 4 theta. This minus value bring the right side, it will be positive. Okay, on comparing given equation, a plus b sin square theta plus c sin to the power 4 theta equal to sin to the power 6 theta. So a, b, c values, a is equal to 4 constant, sin square theta coefficient b in this minus 8, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 4. Sin to the power 6 theta equal to sin to the power 6 theta. Okay, but our target is a plus b plus c. It will going to be 4 plus 4, 4 minus 8 plus 4. So answer is 0. Okay, moving to next question. So cos theta value given, then we have to find a tan theta by 2. Okay, so tan theta by 2. We have tan theta by 2 plus or minus root under 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, plus or minus root under 1 minus cos theta value given. What is given? Cos u minus e by 1 minus e cos u by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, cos u minus e by 1 minus e cos u, where e lies between 0 to 1. Okay, it will going to be tan theta by 2 equal to plus or minus root under, let us do LCM, 1 minus e cos u. So 1 minus e cos u into 1, 1 minus e cos u minus minus cos u. So minus into minus plus e. So after LCM, 1 minus e cos u get cancelled. Okay, so denominator is 1 minus e cos u into 1, 1 minus e cos u plus cos u minus e. Okay, so numerator denominator LCMs are get cancelled. So it will be plus or minus root under, okay, in this 1 plus c, right, first 1 plus c, in between minus e cos u minus cos u minus cos u, take out common 1 plus c by, in denominator 1 minus e into, in this 1 cos u take out common, cos 1 minus cos u take out common, okay, plus cos u take out common, it will be 1 minus e. Okay, in numerator 1 plus e take out common, 1 plus e, the remaining value 1 minus cos u, in denominator 1 minus e taking common 1 plus cos u. Okay, we have got this value. So plus or minus root under 1 plus e into 1 minus cos u. We have 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, 1 minus cos u, 1 minus cos u it can be written as 2 sin square u by 2. Okay, 1 minus e into, we have 1 plus cos u, 1 plus cos theta formula, 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, it can be written as 2 cos square u by 2. 1 2 get cancelled. Sin square u by cos square u by, sin square u by 2 by cos square u by 2, it can be written as tan square u by 2. So root under tan square u by 2 is tan u by 2. So plus or minus root under 1 plus e by 1 minus e into tan u by 2. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So AB values are given. Then we have to find a plus b power 2 by 3 plus a minus b power 2 by 3. Okay, first we have to find a plus b value. So a plus b, sin theta plus cos theta plus cos theta into sin 2 theta plus sin theta into cos sin 2 theta. Okay, cos theta into sin 2 theta plus sin theta into sin 2 theta. In this one sin 2 theta take out common. So cos theta plus sin theta into 1 sin 2 theta take out common. It will be cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. So now cos theta plus sin theta take out common. It will be cos theta plus sin theta into, so 1 plus sin 2 theta. So cos theta plus sin theta into, so 1 plus sin 2 theta, we have 1 plus sin 2 theta formula. So 1 written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay, it will going to be cos theta plus sin theta whole square. So what is the result? A plus b, cos theta plus sin theta whole cube. Cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta whole square, cos theta plus sin theta whole cube. Okay, now we have to find a minus b value. So let us do subtraction. Minus minus minus. So a minus b equal to sin theta minus cos theta. In this 1 minus sin 2 theta take out common. It will going to be sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. So a minus b equal 1 sin theta minus cos theta take out common. It will be 1 minus sin 2 theta. Okay. We have 1 minus sin 2 theta formula. Sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay, so it can be written as sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta whole square. It will going to be sin theta minus cos theta whole cube. But our target is a plus b power 2 by 3 plus a minus b power 2 by 3. So a plus b value, we have sin theta plus cos theta whole cube power 2 by 3. So a minus b value, we have got sin theta minus cos theta whole cube power 2 by 3. So 1 3 get cancelled. We have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square formula 2 times of a square plus b square, where ab value is sin theta and cos theta. We have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times of a square plus b square. It will be 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So what is the answer? 2. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.